We're drinking around the world at Epcot. First stop was Mexico. We have margaritas.
Tasty.
Good.
All right.
Second stop, Norway with Troll Creme. Troll Creme.
Juniper Pilsner.
It's good. Stop number 3, China. Fourth stop, Germany. Good doggy gates. Stop number 5, Italy. How's everyone feeling?
Great. Wonderful.
I'm a little buzzed.
Little something.
Ooh, that's good.
Italian margarita.
Limoncello and tequila.
Not bad.
Delicious. Delicious.
Stop number 6, America.
Woo. What was this called?
A Red Stag Lemonade.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Stop number 7, Japan. Sake. Stop number 8, Morocco.
Very good. Blood orange mimosa.
Very good. I'm still a little tipsy. Stop number 9, France.
Bonjour.
I'm a little sleepy.
Oui, bonjour.
Stop number 10, UK. I'm not okay. Apple cider.
It's good.
Last stop, Canada. Hey, what's this all about? Mojitos.
Mojito.
Very good.
Tasty.
I don't feel as bad as I thought I would, y'all.
No.
Yeah, I feel great.
No, feel good.
Last one.